Well, here we go. 26th Street. Almost man, he went yesterday. Had 4 rings, 2 cell phones, stainless steel, tungsten carbide, cobalt, and bling, he said. I'll put the pictures in the end here. You'll see them along with today's target. See if we find anything. Stand by. Well, here we are. Boogie boards, munchkins, and maybe some treasure. Mother Nature's kind of shaky a little bit, but it's kind of iffy. But it's all around us. Stand by. $74 scratchy. I got ready not to even dig it. But it's bling. Mumbles on the target. Let's see what Mumbles we got here.
No. The 34.
34. I got you.
Should have been a pull target.
Stand by. A ghost target.
Disappeared. Where is he?
Nope. We got a choppy 59. He dug some bling today. I figured I'd just check this out too. I don't see anything. Probably fell through, I guess. Not in the hole no more. Got a pretty solid 63. Stand by a bit. 63. God. A shaky 73. What a nice man. Mama's man just dug a bling ring. I don't know what this is. Might be a Chinaman coming up. We got whatever it is in the scoopo. I see it. That stuff we found the other day, that copper stuff.
I got a bunch of these yesterday too.
45 and 50. A little jumpy. I don't see the Hope Diamond anywhere. I do see, I think, a bobby pin. A piece of wire. Exactly what it was. Looks like a Clad Daddy ring. Nope. It might be a former Clad Daddy. I don't know. I forgot what the number was. Yeah. 78, silver, I think. So 61, kind of solid. And that's a 61, is shaky out of the ground. Looks like a nickel. The first nickel of the day. Welcome to Blingsville. Bling. Bling. That's with a big B. The Hope Diamond. More Hope Diamonds. I don't know what that is. Bling chain. A few pennies, a few quarters, a few dimes, 2 little nickels, and tack force made in China.